Hola chicas, so we're just going to have a look now at the next comprehension on página 76, okay, so this is the next comprehension on the chapter Aquí Vivo Yo. We're just going to look through some of the key vocab, okay, I'm not going to go through the whole comprehension, but I'm going to go through some of the key vocab, okay. First piece of vocab we've got here is una urbanización, that is a house in a state, okay. Una urbanización, okay. Next bit I've got underlined here is afueras. Afueras here is on the outskirts. So he lives in the house and on the afueras de la ciudad de Santiago de Chile, on the outskirts of the city of Santiago de Chile. The next thing I've highlighted here is me llevo fenomenal. I get on great with. Me llevo fenomenal. We have seen me llevo bien or no me llevo bien, and now we're seeing me llevo fenomenal. The next word I've highlighted here is vecinos. Your vecino is your neighbors, okay? So he's saying he gets on great with his neighbors, okay? The next one I have highlighted here is la misma. So he's saying he's really lucky because mi mejor amiga vive en la misma calle que yo, so in the same street. La misma here is the same. It can also be el mismo, but this sense here is la misma, okay? The next thing I've highlighted here is mi barrio. Let's just go down here. Mi barrio is my area. Mi barrio, my area, okay? This one, the other word I've just missed here is limpio, is clean. So mi barrio es bastante limpio, is quite clean. Y muy seguro, very safe. Perfecto. I want to underline here these two. I forgot to underline them. Estaciones de tren. Una estaciones de tren is a train station, okay? And una estación de autobuses is a bus station. Perfecto. Next word I've highlighted here is animado. Animado is a way of saying that something like the area or the town or the neighborhood is lively, okay? Perfecto. The next one I've highlighted here is tengo mucha suerte. If something has mucha suerte, it means I am very lucky. So you can say tengo mucha suerte, I'm very lucky, or no tengo mucha suerte, I'm not very lucky, I'm not having lots of luck, okay? Next one I want to highlight here is paso. Paso here means I spend time. Paso mucho tiempo, or here it means I spend lots of time, okay? Perfect. The next one I want you to highlight here is tomar el sol. Tomar el sol means to sunbathe. We think we might have seen that at the start of al principio de segundo año, at the start of second year. The next one I want you to make a note of then is hay mucho que hacer. Hay mucho is I, we know is there is or there are. Mucho que hacer means there is lots to do. There's lots to do, okay? There's lots to do. These last couple lines then, he's talking about the bad things in his area. So, for instance, you know, hay mucho tráfico, there's lots of traffic. And then here, I want you to, the word of highlight, the phrase of highlight is no me gustaría vivir. I would not like to live. So, no me gustaría vivir. I would not like to live. El campo is the countryside. And the last one here highlighted is instalaciones. Your instalaciones is your facilities. So what I want you to do is I want you to try those 6 questions. Do it on the Google Doc attached. I have changed it. I think I had it as view only, but now it should be everybody gets a copy of it. So just fill it in on that. I also want you to make a note of this, vocabulary, this vocab on the vocab on that I've highlighted here and anything I've mentioned, so put that into your copy. And the last thing I want you to do is on página 78, page 78. I have attached this listing, okay? So the listing is attached. It's just an audio file. So what I want you is just you can send me a picture of this if you want, or you can do it on a copy or a piece of paper. Is I want you to write in English. I have attached, so write in English the place that you hear, the advantages, the ventajas, and the desventajas, the disadvantages of each place that they say. So write the place down here, the advantages that you hear, and the desventajas, the disadvantages that you hear. Is that okay? So what I want you to do is fill in this comprehension and complete the lesson here. Is that okay? Muchas gracias, chicas.